Hi, this is Carly with DoMyOwn.com, and today we're going to be talking about a wide selection of products for roaches, including baits, sprays, traps, growth regulators, and roach control kits. DoMyOwn's roach control kits combine the products needed to control a roach infestation in one cost-effective package. Each kit contains tubes of gel bait, insect growth regulators, insecticide sprays, and glue traps to monitor your infestations. Roach baits are some of the most effective products that are used in your home. Bait is placed throughout a kitchen, bathroom, or any other room where cockroach activity has been spotted. Baits are available in gel and granular forms, with gel being the most common. Gel bait is packaged in syringes for easy application. A plunger or bait gun is used to disperse the gel out of the tube. Gel bait can be placed on bait plate stations for a quick cleanup, and some bait stations are pre-packaged with bait for convenience. Insecticide sprays labeled for cockroaches can help control infestation and prevent roaches from entering your home. The mixture can be sprayed around the perimeter of your home, around the door and window frames, beneath the appliances, and in cracks and crevices indoors. Most insecticides are labeled to kill off other pests besides roaches, and it will actually cut down and reduce the amount of products that you're buying for other pests in your home. Roaches are communal pests, often interacting with other roaches. When one roach encounters an active ingredient from certain baits or insecticide sprays, they can transfer the chemical to other roaches in the area. This leads to a quick knockdown of a roach infestation within a home. Cockroach insecticides are also available in pre-packaged aerosol cans. Insect growth regulators, also known as IGRs, are an important step in a roach control program. Without IGRs, you may knock down the adult roaches, but their eggs will hatch and continue the infestation. They are essentially birth control for roaches, and it stops them from growing and from the eggs hatching. IGRs are available in concentrates, aerosols, and point source stations. They are not effective against adult roaches, but they should be used with insecticides and baits. Glue traps help monitor the effectiveness of your roach control program. Place glue boards in the corners of your rooms or cabinets where the roach activity has occurred. After treatment, you should see fewer roaches on the glue boards. If the roach activity continues or increases several months after treatment, you will know that you need to retreat or rotate to a different treatment method. Keep in mind, multiple treatments may be needed due to the infestation of the roaches in your home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you.